Hi, first graders. It's time for our three-part drill. Okay, first let's review our three sounds of ED. ED can say D, ED can say T, ED can say ID. All right, then say the rest of these sounds with me. Ready? Ong, ink, ing, ang, unk, ung. E magic E says E. O magic E says O. A magic E says A. I magic E says I. U magic E says U. We have ank, onk. Let's practice writing some of our sounds now. The sound of id. We know E-D says id at the end of a word, like in banded. Let's look at the two ways to make the long O sound. Long O says O. O says O, like in go. O magic E says O, like in joke. Let's look at the two ways to do long I. Long I says I. So I says I, like in the word hi. I magic E says I, like in the word bike. Let's look at the sound ink. Ink. I-N-K. Ink, like in the word drink. Ing. I-N-G says ing, like in the word spring. Now let's look at the two ways to make the D sound. We know D says D by itself. We also know that ED can make the D sound at the end of a word. Let's look at the two ways to make the T sound. We know T says T. We also know that ED can make the T sound at the end of a word. Okay, sound out and read the words with me. Ready? Clung, clung. Clunk, clunk. Slang, slang. Sling, sling. Ink, drink. Strong, strong. Ank, shrank. Onk, dwonk. That's a nonsense word. Let's look at some magic E words now. Ready? Strike, strike. If I change the middle sound in this word to long O, now we have the word stroke, stroke. Drove, drove. If we change the middle sound to long I, now we have drive, drive. We would see crave. We change the beginning blend to br. Now we have br, ave, brave.